Hello class 5, welcome to your English language class children. So in this class we will do an exercise. So open your book at page number 54. Open your book at page number 54 and we will do exercise number 1. As we have completed the chapter 9, isn't it? We have completed the chapter, that is chapter number 9, adjective and the degrees of comparison, isn't it? So on the basis of what we have learned in the chapter, we will do the exercise. Clear? I think you all can do with me. Let us start. Are you all ready? Take a pencil in your hand and we will do the exercise. Clear? See children, what we will do today is, let me read it out for you, the question. Number 1, choose A exercise A. Choose the correct option to complete the following sentences. 6 sentences are given, okay, and 3 options are given for each statement. Now you have to see whether to make use of comparative degree, superlative degree, or to keep it as positive. Okay. Now let us see, 3 options are given, we will do. Okay. Ready? Let's get started. Okay, let me read it out for you. A tiger is as a lion. A tiger is as a lion. Now, let us see. A tiger is as ferocious as a lion, or a tiger is more ferocious as a lion. More ferocious as a lion, or a tiger is most ferocious as a lion. As we have seen, as means it will be of not of positive degree. Okay, so a tiger is as ferocious as. So which option will be the correct one? Number A. Okay, so in number 1, option A is the correct answer. As ferocious, as ferocious. Okay. Ferocious, as ferocious as a lion. Done. So number 1 is A. Answer option A. Number 2. Let us see. It will take which option? My mother is her sister. My mother is her sister. Now see. Prettier than her sister. My mother is the most prettiest. My mother is the prettiest. Her sister. No, it's not matching. So here I think I am comparing mother and her sister. So my mother is prettier than her sister. So why prettier than? Why then we are using here? Because we are comparing. In comparative degree we know what we have to do. We make use of than after the adjective, after the comparative form, isn't it? So here prettier will be the number, option A will be the correct one. So my mother is prettier than her sister. Okay, so number 2 will take option A. Done? Then number 3. Come to number 3. See number 3. The ring road is dash road in Delhi. The ring road is the busiest road in Delhi. The ring road is most busier road in Delhi. The ring road is more busiest road in Delhi. So we are talking about ring road. Okay, so here the ring road is the busiest road in Delhi. I am comparing all the roads in Delhi. Okay, not more busier road. Okay, more busier. No. And then we have not seen the use of then, so no comparative degree. And see number C, more busiest, when we are comparing here, I am not comparing with one object, isn't it? So here not more busiest, never is not correct. More busiest, we never say more busiest, isn't it? So is the busiest road. The busiest. Then which option here also? Option A. For number 3 also option A is the correct answer. Okay, option A is correct answer for number 3. Now number 4. This painting is the first one. Here I think we are comparing, isn't it? We are comparing here. This painting is the first one. I am comparing this painting with the first one. So comparative degree. This painting is more colorful, the first one. This painting is the most colorful, the first one. No. This painting is more colorful than the first one. Yes, number C is the correct answer. So number 4, number C is the correct answer. Number C is the correct option. Okay, number 4 will take number C. Then number 5, Tom is dash boy in the class. Then Tom is option A, more naughty boy in the class. More naughty boy. Tom is the naughtiest boy in the class. Tom is most naughtiest boy in the class. So naughtiest, obviously it will be naughtiest, but before naughtiest we have to write the. Naughtiest will not take most, because naughty, naughtier, naughtiest. Already we have made the superlative form. So not most. We will not use most here. So it will be Tom is the naughtiest boy. So option B. For number 5. B is the correct option. Okay. Clear? Now come to number 6. Cinderella is dash fairy tale. Cinderella is dash fairy tale. Now is most famous fairy tale. The is not there. So Cinderella is number B, more famous fairy tale. Here we are not comparing. Then Cinderella is a famous fairy tale. Yes, it is in positive form. So Cinderella is a famous fairy tale. So number 6 will take option number C. Okay, a famous fairy tale. So 6. Option A is the correct answer. Okay, clear? Is it clear to you? Number 1, option A, 2A, 3A, 4C, 5B, 6A. Okay, so this way we have completed exercise number A of this chapter and page number 54. So we'll meet in the next class with the new exercise. Thank you. Have a nice day.